back to Hello High, and today we're cooking red velvet chocolate chip cookies, white chocolate chips, and we're adding a sprinkle of regular chocolate chips only because I ran out of white chocolate chips. But let me show you how these cookies look inside. Do you see how moist those cookies are? We are making these today. So we're using Canna butter and Duncan Hines cake mix for everyone who's not a baker. This recipe is for you, so let's get started. For this recipe, you only need 4 ingredients. 1 box of red velvet cake mix, 2 eggs, a cup and a half of white chocolate chips, and a 1/3 cup of Canna butter. And if you want it really strong, go ahead and bump it up to a 1/2 cup. And before we start, make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up below. In a large bowl, combine the cake mix, eggs, Canna butter, and chocolate